Hello, welcome to Evolve Global Academy. My name is Cindy Inario and I have been a hairpiece consultant for over 5 years with Super Hairpieces. I'll also be your host and educators throughout this entire course. Alongside with me will be Teresa, who has over 30 years of experience creating amazing transformations in the hair loss industry. The course will walk you through the process of how to attach a hair system, from the consultations to the aftercare, even how to launch your career in the hair replacement industry. Depending on which course you have taken, the method of attachment will also differ. So, if you are thinking of increasing your skills, be sure to check out the rest of our courses. I can't tell you how excited I am to have you join the hair replacement industry and in trusting Evolve Global Academy as your #1 educator.